cannot find that recent song he made for us. I can find the old one, like the fanfare, horns, and all that one he made way back like a year ago, but I can't find that recent one he made when you and I were doing the trivia thing. So I might get that back from him. I don't know where the link is. I've lost it. But definitely go check out Chris and Austin. They rock it, rock it, rock it.
Good one, baby. Guess we're just right back here on Friday morning. A little bit more of the same. And hopefully some great. Repeating this.
Thank you, Andy B, as well, for the extra heaping helping us some good lettuce this morning, sir.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me on.
Always.
Yep, love you, brother.
We really appreciate you guys there in chat hanging out. All you guys that come back and listen to us after the fact. Much appreciated. If you want to take the time and check your subscription button to make sure you're still subscribed, I guess you can. It's not going to make much difference. So chances are they're going to unsubscribe you regardless. So we sure do appreciate the fact that you're here. I guess till then, guys, have a great day. Be good. Be well. Do good. Do that well. We love you.
Go check out David Banner's channel.
Is that a pizza? Or is it a piece of chicken? That's just wrong. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna get busted up again in a minute. Share. You got it? Okay. Nice. That's enough pigeon palm. Bye. Oh no. There's my sky. Catch you in a bit.